want to lose 10 pounds. I want a six-pack abs. I want my hairline to stop receding. I want a fancier house. I want a bigger car. What are you doing? Christmas is over, you know that, right? This is New Year's Day. Mind your business. These are New Year's wishes. They're only granted on this day. That's not how this works. There's supposed to be New Year's resolutions. You know, you're supposed to focus on improving yourself by doing the necessary hard work to grow and to learn as a person. Okay, show me one time in history where New Year's resolutions have actually worked. Well, I mean, there was this, what's his name? So how's this work? You kind of just, you know, spit your wishes out into the ether. I want a miniature elephant. Is that how this works? Happy New Year's, Rockstars. I hope you guys had an amazing time celebrating. You're looking forward to another amazing year as well. And a new year typically means a new you, or perhaps a new business venture. No matter if you're looking to start a side hustle or you're looking to make your side hustle your main hustle, there's only one rule when it comes to business, and that's that you gotta make it rain. Whether you're selling widgets or you're making the widgets, there's one skill you're going to have to learn, and that's how to sell. And there's a couple ways you can actually go about it. So to start you guys off on the right foot, here are the top 5 ways you can kick your business into the next level. For better or worse, social media usage is on the rise. More and more businesses are getting into the social media game. And this is because more than 1 billion people use Facebook every single day. And I mean, this has a lot to do with the fact that they're designing the platform to be as addictive as possible, but that's for another video, another day. Learning how to utilize social media and Google AdWords is a great way of generating business for yourself, but with all great things, there's a downside to social media marketing. There's a steep learning curve when it comes to using these platforms, and as the old saying goes, it takes money to make money. Social media ads are not cheap, especially if you don't know what you're doing. It's sort of like throwing your money down a never-ending money pit if you just sort of kind of wing it. But if you can master the social media beast, you might become the beast master. Networking is by far the most popular way of generating business for most business owners. More on the air quotes in a second. And there's a reason why networking is by far the most popular way of generating business. You're essentially partying with your friends. You're going out having drinks with other business owners, other entrepreneurs, with your clients. You're meeting up with people, you're laughing, you're giggling, you're having a good time. All right, so about those air quotes, the big problem, too many business owners think that networking is the only way to generate business, and let's be real, they barely do that. Look, networking once or twice a year is better than nothing, but if your networking is going to be your shtick, how you generate business, you're gonna have to be more consistent about it. Now, this is a very broad term, and I left it open on purpose. When most people hear the word prospecting, a cold shiver creeps up their spine and they kind of gag a little. Look, that's completely understandable. Facing rejection isn't something that you just kind of get over with a snap of your fingers. It takes time and practice, but you need to figure out what's going to work for you and get to it. Whether it's cold calling prospects on the phone, going business to business, or sending out direct mail, not drip mail, whatever it may be, prospecting on a consistent basis is going to take your business to new heights. Like I said, there's many different ways of prospecting, but as long as you're prospecting and generating new business, your business is going to do good. So take the time to learn the art of selling. And if you think you're not a salesperson, think again. You've sold yourself so many times in your personal life, whether it came to your spouse, your significant other, your jobs, your employers, you're constantly selling yourself. And a great book to read in order to help you get through this is The New ABCs of Selling. Hustle and heart will set you apart. Your sphere of influence is simply the people you have a connection with in some form or way. It doesn't necessarily mean only friends and family members, but it does include them. For most new business owners, your SOI or sphere of influence is going to be your main source of business. And if done right, some of your most loyal customers. I already hear the groaning and moaning, so let me clarify this. I know, again, you've heard this before, don't mix business and friends and family members together. But look, as a business owner, you're going to be tested by people, especially those closest to you. There's no way around it. And this just comes with the territory. As a real estate agent, and this is real talk now, I've had people that I thought I was close with straight up burn me. But hey, that's the nature of this beast. You're gonna have to ask yourself, do you want to spend your holidays alone and broke, or do you want to be the bigger person and just keep moving forward? The choice is yours. This isn't so much a selling technique as it's more of a character flaw that I see in a lot of business owners. It makes no sense to me to do all this hard work, to go through all these struggles and all these challenges for you to come out the other side a turd. Look, most people are just looking to work with someone they trust and they can rely on regardless of the services and the goods they provide. They want to get value for their dollar. Being a good person in business, having integrity, treating people fairly, and with compassion will take you further in the long run. And if you plan on making your business thrive for a very long time, then you have to keep the long run in mind. No matter what your hustle or your side business is, always be a good person first. Or at the very least, don't be an asshole. So what do you guys think? What are some of your favorite ways to generate business on this list? Go ahead and leave your comments down below. Make sure you hit that like button, share this with all your friends and family members, and subscribe. And remember, this is my favorite way of hustling, providing you guys with valuable info and some great entertainment. So if you guys are thinking about buying a house or selling your house, let the Rockstar team get you home.